Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to connect a wireless mic to a mixer board. This can be used in a number of scenarios. Right now I have a fine wireless microphone. This is battery powered. I have a mic plugged in here and it's currently here. You're not listening to that at the moment. What you're listening to is this microphone plugged into my mixer. We have a wireless mic unit, which is the receiver. So this is sending a signal to the receiver. I'm going to plug the receiver into the mixing board. I've got another camera set here, which I'm going to show you. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, so if I hold this here, can you see that camera now? Wide. Okay, yeah. So here is my mixing board. It's a Yamaha MG10XU. Right now I'm using line 1 over here. I have unplugged the mic, which I had in there. Here is the unit, and you'll see me plug that unit in. Hopefully, I'm plugged in yet. There. So I'm going to plug it in. So that has been plugged in, which means these are now active. So if well, you can't see any of that, can you? Yeah, wait, let's get a bit bigger, higher. Okay, there. So now I'm going to turn my first mic off, which is what you're listening to now. And I'm going to turn up the wireless mic. So now this wireless mic receiver is what you're listening to right now. So let's compare that and see what that sounds like. Oopsie daisy. Okay, sorry about this. That's the only way I could show you a nice shot of that mixer because it's on the side. Okay, so that mixing board is currently using a wireless mic from here, which you can probably not see because my hand's in the way. This one here, let me get widescreen again. Okay, so now you are listening to this lav mic, which is receiving or sending from this wirelessly. So if I was going to be on a stage and this microphone mixer was set up in the studio, or someone else was looking after the audio, and I was walking about on stage, you would receive that audio here. That's what that sounds like. Currently you are listening to the microphone, which is the fine lav mic, which I have turned up to about halfway, possibly. Oh, that's a terrible shot, isn't it? That's currently halfway. So if I turn that lower, you'll see the volume go lower and lower and lower. I turned it off completely. Now I'm going back to my original microphone, which is over here, and that is the Behringer microphone. So how does that sound versus the fine mic? I'm assuming it's going to sound more tinny because that is a smaller mic. This one is a better mic in terms of audio and studio quality. So if I turn that original mic down and turn this mic up, you should now hear, well, it's too probably loud, but you'll hear this now on the tin mic. So if your audio quality, I couldn't tell audio quality before because I was used to having really bad audio. If you look at my past videos before, like the last batch of about 50, my audio all sounded tinny like this, which probably isn't great, but until you hear good audio, you don't know what it sounds like. So if I'm currently speaking and I turn up the other microphone, now you should be able to give a direct comparison and see how a good microphone sounds versus a tinny microphone. So that gives you an idea. I'm going to carry on speaking so you can see the exact difference live and see how it sounds, and you should be able to tell me which mic you're listening to based on the quality of the audio. So right now, if I go back and do another microphone, which one is this microphone? There should be a bit more bass in it. It should sound more nice and studio quality, whereas this microphone won't sound as good. And bloody, I did a lot of talking there, so let's have a little. Also, actually, when you're drinking or eating or you're taking a drink, this mic might pick up more because it's right next to my throat, whereas on this mic here you wouldn't pick up as much, because what I normally do is I do that, so you see how that sounds. But that is a quick comparison of how to connect a wireless mic to your mixing board. I've done a whole playlist about mixing boards and the different things you can connect to it. I thought it was time I did the wireless mic. Hope you found this useful.